Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you how I achieved this sleek jumbo braid ponytail protective style on my relaxed hair. To be honest, I've been obsessing over this look lately, so if you're interested, stay tuned. So I'm about maybe 4 to 5 weeks post relaxer, and right now my hair is feeling a little bit dry, but it's okay. Wash day is in 2 days from now, so doing a style like this is perfect timing because I don't like to leave gel and edge control in my hair for too long. So right now I'm just spritzing my hair with some water just to kind of loosen it up a bit, make it more manageable before I moisturize. So I'm going to be doing a middle part. Middle part is my go-to. I think I have a default middle part, to be honest. So just getting it straight is always the hardest part, but I think I got it. Yeah, it looks straight. So now I'm going to moisturize with my As I Am So Much Moisture hair lotion. You guys know I love this. So I'm going to take a couple pumps and just more so focus on my ends, basically where the ponytail is going to be, because we're going to be using braiding hair, and you know that can really suck out the moisture from the hair. So I'm going to continue applying my moisturizer all throughout until my hair feels well saturated. So now I'm going to seal my hair using my jojoba oil. This will help to lock in the moisture and give my hair some shine. So now I'm going to detangle using my wide tooth comb, just combing from the ends up all the way to the roots. So this will help to distribute the product evenly throughout my hair. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my gel. So this is the olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil Eco Styler. Hands down, my favorite gel. This locks everything into place and it gives like a really nice sleek finish. So I don't apply my gel everywhere. I just put it to the areas that really matter. So like my middle part, my edges, my nape, etc. So now I take my boar bristle brush just to smooth everything into place, basically all the areas that have gel, before I secure my ponytail. So you guys know I don't use regular ponytail holders to secure my ponytail. I always use these stretchy, ouchless headbands, and I double it up to secure my ponytail. It just works for me. I just find that the regular ponytail holders, they always snap or just have like this weird feeling, and it just doesn't secure my hair properly. So this always works like a charm. So now I'm going to take a little bit of my even edge tamer just to kind of control those stubborn areas. So my edges and my nape for sure. So recently I purchased this edge tamer, and to be honest you guys, I'm really impressed. So far there's been no residue, no flaking of any sort. Plus those rave reviews really got to me, so I just couldn't pass it up. You guys let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried even. What are your thoughts on it? Let me know. So this is what the hair looks like. It's super long. It's 1B in color, Kanekalon hair. So before I attach it, I'm going to secure the front of my hair with my satin scarf. That way it has time to kind of just set and lock into place while I'm attaching the braiding hair. Okay, so before I attach the braiding hair, I detangle my hair pretty well, and I also detangle the braiding hair because trust me, this thing can get a matted, tangled mess, and it's super frustrating. So I always just detangle first. So right now I'm separating a piece of hair from the rest of the hair because this is what will be used to conceal the ponytail holder and just secure it so it looks nice and natural. So don't forget this step if you are planning on trying this style, because I've done it many times and it just doesn't look good. So right now I'm just going to secure the ponytail onto mine using this ponytail holder that I attached to the braiding hair itself, and that way I can just secure it and it becomes one. So now I'm just separating my hair and the braiding hair into 3 equal pieces. That way I can begin the braiding process. But to be honest, you guys, this part is super tricky because the hair can easily mat and tangle. It can be frustrating, but don't rush it. Just take your time. You'll get it right. So I brought the hair forward so I can see what I'm doing, and as I'm braiding, I'm applying the Eco Styler gel to the hair itself. So this is the same Eco Styler that I was using before. This will really help to just tame any flyaways as I'm braiding the hair. So what I love most about this hair is that it's 96 inches in length. And I think I forgot to mention this before, but it's super long. And because it's this long, I don't have to feed in any hair to make it longer or thicker. And let's be honest, I have no clue how to do that, okay? I just know that I love the look, but your girl can't do feed in. So this is the cheat method. All right, so now I'm applying some gel to the hair that I left out. So this is the hair that's gonna be wrapped around the base of the ponytail just to kind of conceal everything and just to keep it nice and in place. So typically during this process, I notice a lot of people using that got to be glued spray. I don't own any of that, nor am I really a fan, to be honest. I just find that gel and of course a bobby pin works perfectly fine. It keeps everything smooth and well secure. All right, so the braid is done. It's looking nice and neat. So now I'm gonna go change, put on some makeup, and show you guys the final look. Okay, so I'm loving the way this style turned out, you guys. Like, it is such a vibe. It's super chic. It's so cute. You guys comment, let me know what you think. If you do try this style, be sure to tag me. I'd love to see it. Of course, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.